Hello guys, today I will show you how to add funds with the Binance Pay method on MD Unlocker official website. Now open our website and log in with your registered email ID and password. Now, click Add Funds. If you don't have the Binance method, you can also use the PayPal payment option. There is also the option to pay with a credit card. Select Binance and enter the amount as per your wish. Click Next. Here, click to Pay Now. Click Binance Pay. Now open your Binance wallet and scan this QR code. Now type that amount that we have entered on the invoice. Now click Add Note. Then enter the code displayed below on the QR code. If you do not type, then payment will be unsuccessful. Click Continue and verify your pass key. The website immediately recognizes whether your payment has been successful. Congratulations! Credit has been received successfully.